Hi all, I am Seth Jameson. I am just doing a quick testimony for Lloyd and Alicia, just to let you know a little bit about me and my life. Before now, I suppose I was a business owner, a signwriting business with 7 staff, was busy, was stressful, lots of overheads, and I drank too much, I suppose, and ate a lot of fast food because I was so busy. Then I made some huge changes. I lost 25 kgs because I knew something had to change. If I didn't lose that weight, or if I didn't get my life in order, something would crash, and I didn't want that crash to be me. So I saw another way, because I started to leverage myself out of my signwriting business into the online market. I started to sell things online, and I could see the benefits of that. And unfortunately, at that same point in time, Lloyd and Alicia shared the business opportunity with me with what I'm doing here now. So from there, I mean, man, like, I sold that signwriting business because the numbers added up, right? So I said, I need to do something different. Got rid of the business. I started doing this. Now this is what I do full time. I live in Brisbane now, straight across from South Bank, where I am looking at right now. I run around South Bank and around the place, and almost every single day. It's incredible. It's a life with a lot more freedom. I still work quite hard, but I actually love what I do, and it's really quite rewarding. So I suppose all I could really say is, if what you're doing right now isn't working for you, then I really would urge you to book a call with Lloyd and Alicia and have a chat. If you're like me, you're not feeling satisfied, or you're not ticking all those boxes, I would, again, just book a call, have a chat. And I mean, hopefully, like in a year or 2 or 3, you'll be doing the same as me. I've got a good life, a happy life. I'm balanced, and I've lost all that weight, and I feel quite centered. So hopefully I'll see you somewhere, and best of luck.